Hello, I'm Astor Boozer, State Conservationist for USDA NRCS, and I'm standing alongside one of the People's Gardens that we have established here in Syracuse, New York. The People's Garden are open to the public as a living exhibit to what USDA does every day. They're a small example of ways we incorporate sustainable practices. The gardens are also a collaborative effort and are beneficial to communities they're in. A People's Garden can vary in size and type, but all have a common purpose to help the community they are within and the environment. The People's Gardens are going up all around the country to help raise public awareness about pollinators, as well as promote conservation, protection, and restoration of pollinator habitat. Pollinators are needed for the reproduction of 90% of flowering plants and 1/3 of human food crops. This leaves all of us depending on bees, butterflies, bugs, and other creatures to help provide us with a wide range of food we eat. With pollinator populations declining, this garden project will demonstrate ways everyone in your community can pitch in and help improve pollinator habitat. A People's Garden must include the following 3 components. 1. Benefit your community. Gardens benefit communities in many different ways. They can create spaces for leisure and recreation that the public can use, provide a harvest to a local food bank or shelter, be a wildlife-friendly landscape, or be a rain garden to absorb stormwater, runoff, and protect the soil from erosion. Be collaborative. The garden must be a collaborative effort between other volunteers, neighbors, and organizations within your community. Local partnerships can carry out the mission of the People's Garden. 3. Incorporate sustainable practices. The garden should include gardening practices that nurture, maintain, and protect the environment, such as planting native species, encouraging beneficial insects that feed on destructive pests. Forbs and legumes, flowering plants will attract the bees as part of the pollinator habitat. Native grasses are also part of the habitat, so we hope that this garden improves the pollinator habitat within this area and region of Syracuse, New York.